Hello, everyone. Welcome to Super English Lessons.
The most delicious English class on YouTube.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom.
Today, we're going to learn English with fruits and vegetables in a fun way.
Yes, we'll tell stories, make jokes, and help you speak English better.
So, get ready to listen, repeat, and laugh.
The first part of our conversation is called Fruits, and the first story is called Anna and the Sour Apples.
Let's start with my favorite fruit, apples. So, one day, I went to the market. The seller smiled and said, "Try these apples. They are very sweet." I believed him. I bought 5 apples. When I got home, I took a big bite. Oh my goodness, they were not sweet. They were super sour. My face looked like this. Ooh.
Oh, I can imagine.
I didn't want to waste them, so I made apple pie. And it was amazing. Moral of the story, when life gives you sour apples, make apple pie.
Beautiful. Okay, everyone, repeat after us.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are red, green, or yellow. Apples are sweet and crunchy.
And one funny one. Don't believe every apple seller.
True.
Let's have a brief dialogue. Anna, do you like apple juice?
Yes, I love it, especially cold apple juice in summer.
I like hot apple tea.
You mean cider?
No, I mean hot apple tea. It's weird but tasty.
You and your strange recipes. Now, let's listen to the second story called Tom and the Banana Disaster.
Okay, my turn. One morning, I was late for work. I ran out of the house with a banana in one hand and coffee in the other. I thought, I'm fast and cool. But suddenly, my foot slipped on the banana peel. My own banana peel. I fell, my coffee flew in the air, and guess what? It landed perfectly on my head.
People on the street clapped.
You made their morning show.
I guess I was the comedy breakfast. Okay, everyone, let's practice together. Repeat after me. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow. Bananas are sweet. I like eating bananas in the morning.
And my favorite line, never run with the banana.
Pronunciation tip. Let's say it slowly. Banana. Repeat 3 times. Banana, banana, banana. Perfect.
Okay, now let's listen to the third story called Chocolate Strawberry Disaster.
I once tried to make chocolate strawberries for a date. Everything looked perfect. Chocolate melted, strawberries ready. But I forgot to cool them in the fridge. After 10 minutes, chocolate everywhere. On the table, on the floor, in my hair. It was a romantic chocolate war.
So did your date like it?
He said, "You're sweet like the strawberries." So I guess it worked. Teaching after story. Okay, repeat after me. I like strawberries. Strawberries are red and sweet. Chocolate and strawberries are delicious together. I'm hungry now. The fourth short story is called The Watermelon Runaway.
Okay, this one is crazy. Last summer, I bought a huge watermelon. I carried it up the stairs, slowly, carefully. Then my phone rang. I turned around, boom! The watermelon slipped and rolled down the stairs. It rolled all the way out the door, across the street, and stopped next to the bus stop. The bus driver looked at me and said, "Sir, your watermelon is going to work."
Oh no! Did you catch it?
I tried, but the bus was faster.
Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Watermelon is big and sweet. I like eating watermelon in summer. Watermelons are green outside and red inside.
And say this for fun. Don't let your watermelon go to work. Okay, our next story is called The Pineapple Pizza War.
Oh, I have a story. I invited friends for dinner. I made pizza, half normal, half with pineapple. Then the war started. One said, "Pineapple doesn't belong on pizza." Another shouted, "Yes, it does." In 2 minutes, everyone was speaking food language, not English. Now I always make 2 pizzas, peace and pineapple.
That's international peacekeeping through pizza.
Teaching after story. Repeat after me. I like pineapple. Pineapple is sweet and sour. Pineapple on pizza. Yes or no?
I say yes.
I say maybe.
Friends, let's move on to the second part of the best and most delicious lesson called vegetables. The first story is called The Broccoli Secret.
When I was a kid, I hated broccoli. My mom said, "Eat your broccoli." So I secretly hid it in my pocket. She didn't find out until she washed my pants. Everything smelled like broccoli for 1 week. Broccoli perfume. The new smell of health. Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Broccoli is green. Broccoli is healthy. I eat broccoli for dinner.
And don't hide it in your pocket.
The second story about a very vitamin-rich vegetable is called the crying onion. I wanted to make onion soup. I started cutting onions and oh my. After 2 minutes, I was crying like in a sad movie. My cat came to check on me. Maybe he thought I broke up with someone. When I finished, I said, "This soup is full of tears and love."
Emotional cooking.
Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Onions make me cry. I cut onions for soup. Onions are white or purple.
Don't cry. It's just an onion.
Our next story is also about vegetables and is called The Potato Overload.
Okay, I love potatoes. So one day, I decided to make fries at home. I cut, I fried, I cooked, and I made too many. My kitchen looked like a potato party. I had fries for breakfast, fries for lunch, fries for dinner. Even my dog said no more potatoes, please.
Poor dog. Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Potatoes are delicious. I like fried potatoes. Don't make too many fries. Our next story is also about tomatoes and is called Tomato Confusion. One day, I wanted tomatoes for salad, but I didn't understand the label in the store. I bought hot chili peppers instead. When I made the salad, everyone was screaming, "Water, water." Now they call me the spicy chef.
That's not salad, that's fire.
Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Tomatoes are red. I put tomatoes in salad. Be careful, chili is not tomato. Our next story is called Cabbage Explosion.
Last story, my cabbage soup disaster. I used a pressure cooker for the first time. I didn't close the lid correctly. Suddenly, boom! Cabbage everywhere, on the wall, the ceiling, the floor. I looked like the incredible green cabbage man.
Vitamin explosion. Teaching after story. Repeat after me. Cabbage is green. I make salad with cabbage. Don't fight with a pressure cooker. Okay. Review time. Fruits and vegetables recap. Let's repeat all the fruits we learned. Apple, banana, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple.
And the vegetables: broccoli, onion, potato, tomato, cabbage.
Well done! I am very proud of you all.
And now for some fun practice. Repeat after us. I like apples and bananas. Onions make me cry. Tomatoes are red and juicy. Broccoli is healthy.